In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download Telegram videos directly to your gallery just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do to download Telegram videos to your gallery, super easy. Open your Telegram account like this and go to your Telegram channel that you want to download videos from. For example, I have this one. For example, let's download this video. I want to download this video to my gallery. I will click on this video. You see this one, this Telegram video. So what you will do, guys, you just need to click here on this flash here, okay, like this, and here you go. This video will be downloaded to your gallery. Let's check. If we go back and we go to our laptop and we go to downloads, so we should find the video here, and it's here, okay. Let's check. Click on open, and here you go. That's how you can download Telegram videos to your gallery. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.